and teach him things like Kevin.
Ah! No parkour. Sorry.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
One kitty.
Joey.
You are a fox. Phony.
Don't touch my food.
You so sweet.
You bastard.
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
这整的了，闹闹。
你那个。
Like some medicine.
I'm not helping him. He's screwed.
Why, thank you. Can you move? Stop. Don't do that.
Nom 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 nom.
I got my cat one of these things you can sit in so you can see their feet.
Oh,
Harness training, take one.
counters!
That's my boy. No, my boy. Father, help.
Alexa! Alexa!
Get.
No!
I'm just trying to watch The Parent Trap.
Holy shit.
Removes the hair wrap while I clean.
And now, ow.
It's not yours. Yeet.
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Shut up.
Oh no, are you peeing?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
You good? Wanna say hi? Ollie, what are you doing?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
I'll give you my address.
Okay.
Hey, Spicy.
It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even hear the pump, right?
Okay, alright.
No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit.
Been entertaining us in the studio for about 15
Third, what have you been up to? What was that sound?
Day 67 of my cat trying to scare me.
Meow!
So, mirror, 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 stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like. Hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. And no, I did say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I would be the coolest. Yep. And if people don't like it, then they're.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Te pica los muy chiquito.
From the basement?
Are you fucking kidding me?